Hi everyone, I'm Alice Chan, Director of Marketing at Forever Hong Kong. It's my pleasure to host the October episode of Forever Matters with the stunning Victoria Harbour behind me. This iconic harbour isn't just a beautiful backdrop, it's the heart of our city where tradition meets modernity. For 39 years, since our start in 1986, Forever Hong Kong has been passionate about improving the lives and health of millions in both Hong Kong and Macau. It's a journey we are honored to share with our community. Behind every success story is a series of small wins and lessons learned. Let's explore how growth is happening for Senior Manager Simone Bui and what tips she might have for you at home.
Hi everyone, I'm Simone. Today I would like to share how I achieved Ego Manager and earned the incentive program in a year. First, fall in love with the products. Let your own transformation speak and inspire others through your story. Second, don't be afraid of rejection. Remember, no simply means next opportunity. Keep sharing and eventually you will meet people who believe in you and are ready to start their health journey. Third, treat your partners and customers like family. Take time to understand their needs and their goals and always be supportive. Finally, know the company policy inside out. Understand the marketing plan and incentives thoroughly. It helps you and your team reach goals precisely and confidently. I hope to see all of you on next Ego Manager incentive trip. Thank you.
Let's thank Simone for her insights. In just 3 years with Forever, her dedication to our products and her teamwork have propelled her into a leadership role. She truly exemplifies the product's benefits. Her remarkable journey from a loyal user to a dynamic leader is inspiring. With all this talked about amazing FBOs, let's get to recognize our brand new Gem Managers. Take it away, Nick.
So time to recognize our brand new Sapphire Managers for the month. First up, all the way from South Africa, it's Uzukanye Lindy Madea. Also from South Africa, congratulations to Makganechi Winnie Maplele. Next up, Bukutso Mutledi from Botswana. And congratulations goes to Marie-Laura Juanita Sautron from France. From the UAE, Hamed Sadmir. And from Senegal, Absafol. And our final new Sapphire for this month, all the way from Japan, Takako Kyodo. Moving on to our brand new Diamond Sapphire Managers, congratulations from Japan to Hiromi Matsushita. Hiromi is celebrating 24 years with Forever, and her personal motto is make the most of my life. And as a brand new Diamond Sapphire, she's certainly making the most of the Forever marketing plan. Our next Diamond Sapphire Manager, also from Japan, is Mami Horihi. Mami began her Forever journey with no prior business experience, just a passion for sharing her love of the products and a gratitude for nature. Mami is grateful for her team, her family, and the aloe vera plants that inspire her. And our final Diamond Sapphire Manager is also from Japan. Congratulations, Wakaku Sugimoto. Wakaku lives by her motto that perseverance and action trumps genius, and is motivated by helping others and giving back to her parents. Congratulations, Wakaku!
Thank you, Nick, and congratulations to all the new Gem Managers this month. What amazing achievements from everyone. You are now joining me at Forever Hong Kong office. This is our operations center, the vibrant hub where our FBOs come to place orders for their favorite products and connect with their customers. This is our meeting center that accommodates over 150 people. It's a place where our leaders work with their teams and hold different events. In fact, many of our top leaders and best ideas were born right here. This year, we have over 30 Ego Managers attending the Phuket retreat, but that number is far from enough. Our goal for next year is to double this figure and have all qualifiers join us on the Ego trip to Sun City, South Africa. Let's take a look at the top 10 FBO list for September. These FBOs are also working hard every day and making it happen. Let's give them a well-deserved round of applause. Congratulations to all top 10 achievers. What an amazing accomplishment. My family and I have been loyal Forever Products consumers for over 30 years. Our go-to is this V5 pack. It's the perfect combo of our favorite products, which include aloe vera gel, Forever Daily, Active Pro B, Arctic Sea and RG+. We were so excited to hear about the update Forever Freedom that was announced at EMR. Let's turn to Holly for a deeper dive into our update formula.
Hello Forever family! Coming soon to a product center near you is a legacy product with a fresh new twist. I'm talking about Forever Freedom. Now, the bottle I'm holding is actually a mock-up. This is a water bottle that we handed out at EMR. But the new product will be found in our new PET bottle processed aseptically. It is still a dietary supplement. It still contains glucosamine, chondroitin, and MSM at the exact same quantities. And of course, aloe vera gel is the hero. But where the fresh new twist comes in is the flavor. We've added lemon to the orange juice concentrate to give it a brighter, crisper, more fresh taste. I actually enjoy drinking Forever Freedom now. And in addition to all the benefits of supporting healthy cartilage, helping your joints, helping it just move a little bit easier, it now joins the PET family and it will be soon in your country, depending on regulations and registrations. I look forward to having you taste it and try it, and let me know what you think. I think it's going to be a real hit. Sending you the biggest hugs and loves. And before I toss back to you, Alice, you've been asking who is leading the way in top product sales. I'm excited to share our top sales leaders of Forever Freedom in 2025.
Thanks, Holly. We love learning about the science behind new products. We have one final update from Sierra Mon and the Forever Giving Foundation. Let's hear about some of the great things that happened at EMR. Sierra, what's new?
Thanks to your donations, we've already sponsored over 50 clean water projects in countries around the world. We've set up a special experience here for attendees to try a virtual Walk for Water experience where they get to see the daily life of a little girl named Grace. Grace is responsible for collecting water for her household, which often causes her to walk long distances and sometimes even miss school. Since receiving clean water in her community, Grace has been able to attend school regularly, setting her on the course for a better, healthier life. This story is just one of the thousands of people who have already been helped through your donations. Thank you so much for your incredible support and continuing to help us to make a difference.
Thanks, Sierra. It's always great to see the impact of our Forever family. The support from each of you goes above and beyond, reaching and helping others around the world. Thank you everyone for joining us this month. We are excited for you to visit Hong Kong. Well, we hope that you enjoyed this episode and learned a lot. Next month, we'll be passing Forever Matters across the globe. So stay tuned to see where we land. Until then, stay focused on what matters most to you.